What is up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I advise you to hit the subscribe button below. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team, baby, so you can be lit like us and getting your shmoney together. As you can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be a quick cash stuffing. We're gonna be quick with it. You know what I'm saying? Also, y'all, don't mind my nails because I know they look like chopped up. I had to cut them down because I braided my daughter's hair over the weekend. And normally I would do my nails before I come on here, but I was like, baby, you got to keep rolling with the consistency, okay? We are actually going to do a budget with me and cash stuffing in this one video for the simple fact that, number one, my pay was a hot mess. Can we all say it together? A hot mess. But we got to work with what we got. You know what I'm saying? So the payday is March 10th. The budgeted amount was $500. And so we started with $500. Capital One Auto came out, which is $147. That will leave us with $353. Then we also had to pay Capital One card, which is due on the 15th. That's $25. That will bring us down to $328, and then Ulta Beauty was due, which is $40, and that will bring us down to $288. But we don't quite have $288 because let me tell y'all a story. So I was so tired when I got off of work on Friday, and I was just like went straight to sleep. So I ended up waking up at 1:30 in the morning. I was so hungry, and there was nothing to eat. There was nothing that matched in my house, right? So I was like, okay, let's go to McDonald's. Y'all, I get to McDonald's. They're like, oh, cash only. They're accepting cash only. It's like 2 a.m. So I'm like, okay, well, I haven't done my cash stuffing yet. I said, let me just go to another McDonald's so I can use some of the money out my buffer. No. Get to the second McDonald's. Same thing. They only accepting cash. So I ended up having to take, I believe, $12. Yeah, I think $12 out of the money for me, but let's just count it and see what we got. Let me stop rambling. Y'all know I don't be counting that well, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So we got 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, 260, 265, 266, 67, 68, 69, 270, 271, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 279. So yeah, I had spent a couple of dollars. And let me tell y'all what happened to me. So why somebody stole $50 out my wallet? Ain't that so trifling? Like I couldn't even be sad about it because you just can't go around trusting everybody. But when you feel like you could trust somebody and they show you something like that, baby, don't even give them another opportunity. You know what I'm saying? One time somebody do something to you, oh, okay, they had a bad moment. But if you let somebody do something like that to you a second time, then it's you being dumb. You know what I'm saying? So we had enough to stuff this pay. Since the pay was only $500, all we stuffed was the variable expenses. So let me know if you guys like my new little wallet. I got this on Amazon. It was really inexpensive. I actually ordered one to add to my giveaway that I will be announcing very soon, along with a couple of other items. Super excited about that. So let's start. We're not actually going to start with Queen because I can't remember the exact dollar amount that I spent, so I don't want to put the wrong amount in. First, we only have left the rollover in Trance has a couple of dollars, but we're just going to let Trance's couple of dollars roll over. So Kenzie, baby, she's going to go ahead and she's going to get $10. So that's a $10 bill. That's one. Look at her wanting more than the 10. You know what I'm saying? Trying to pick up 20 and slide 20 in there on an accident. Okay, so that's for Kenzie, baby. Also, I finally updated my envelopes, guys. Let me know what you think. I decided to put some like extra sparkle behind the name. Trance, he's also getting $10, and with his rollover, he has $12. So Trance has $12. That's good because he always wants some bubble gum or some ice cream or something. So he can bubble gum it up. And it's crazy when a person stole the money out of my wallet. They stole it from my gas envelope, and I went to go, and so for gasoline we're doing $150, and this is what made me remember to say this. So you know what I'm saying, of course the person didn't own up to taking the money, right? So, but then they like, oh, well, you know, I know you probably seem very accurate or whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Trying to say, like, I know you accurate, but basically you could have made a mistake. I said, hold up, baby. Wait 1 second. For eat out, we're going to put $15. That's going to be a 10 and a 5. I was like, hold up. I said, because first of all, I record myself. So you can't say I don't know what I put, because I had the video right on my phone, you know what I'm saying, from when I recorded the cash stuffing. But neither here or there. I'm not gonna fight with nobody over $50. Maybe they needed it more than I needed it, but you know, it's a hurtful feeling when somebody takes something from you, because you could have just easily asked for it. So for Mikasa, we're gonna do a $20 bill. Self-care is also getting $20. Miscellaneous is also getting $20. Guys, guess what? Mackenzie F. Baby, please say the baby. She got a birthday coming up on the 21st of this month, and she ready to spend some shmoney, y'all, okay? But we got her covered. Thanks to the cash envelope system. Love is actually going to get $3. Oh, wait a minute. Is it no? Oh, no. It's $3. So Love is going to get $1, $2, $3. I don't know why Love meant only getting $3 lately. I guess it's just the way the cookie crumble. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way the cookie crumble, baby. So the leftover is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 31 that's going into the Queen's envelope. So it just reminds me to be more mindful who I'm having around me and who I'm trusting, guys. But, you know, I mean, it is what it is. But what I ended up having to do was take some money out of my buffer to cover that money that was taken out of my wallet. So what I think I may do is I may take the money out of my car maintenance fund in order to cover, you know, the money that was taken out of my gasoline envelope. But as you guys can tell, this is all I have for you. We have, you know what I'm saying, stuffed a little bit of cash that we got. You know what I'm saying? Sis was missing some work because I wasn't mentally where I needed to be. But we back on track. Next paycheck should be a full pay, and that will be on March the 25th. I will keep you guys updated on Mackenzie and her birthday celebration. As y'all can hear, Chocolate is in the background making it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, make sure you guys are dropping me a purple heart emoji. Let me know that you are rocking with me all the way to the end. I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys every step of the way. And baby, if you was not subscribed, if you did not like this video, what is you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below. Give this video a great big thumbs up and come on and join the Shmoney team so you can be lit like us, baby. Because guess what? We over here getting this Shmoney together. All right, love y'all. Bye.